What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to edit a post on Reddit. Now I'm on mobile iOS as you could see, but if you're on desktop or Android it is a similar process as well. So I have this post right here that I'm looking to edit, and in order to start this out you're going to hit the three little dots in the upper right hand corner of your post. And then once you hit the three little dots, it's going to come up with this menu right here. And then the third option down on the menu should be an option that says Edit Post. You're going to hit that button there. And then it's going to take you to this screen here where you could edit the body text of your Reddit post. Now do keep in mind you can't edit the title. What you're going to want to do is if you want to edit the title, there's a mistake or something, you're just going to want to copy the text of your post and delete your post and repost it. But if you're just looking to edit the body of your Reddit post, you could easily do that by just doing this method and then editing the text in the body once the menu pops up. That's pretty much all I got for you today, though. If you were confused or had any questions regarding this method as far as editing Reddit posts or anything about Reddit in general, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.